Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to glow image in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, you open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the Excel document. Then show the image, this image from the glow. Now click on the image. Now going to the format menu option. Now click on the picture effect option. Now click on the glow effect option. Then choose glow. Then again picture effect option. Glow option. Now glow. More glow colors option. Then choose color. It's okay. Then show the glow image in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.